So guys, the topic for today is acid-base indicators. Indicators are the ones which show one color in acidic medium and another color in basic medium. We saw this table before where we categorized indicators into natural and artificial, where we discussed turmeric and litmus solution, and today we'll see the rest of them. So previously we discussed litmus solution having red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, and base turns red litmus blue and acid turns blue litmus red. Today we will try to understand red cabbage leaf extract as an indicator. So we saw how red cabbage looks like, and now we'll take its extract which has a purple color. When this extract is placed in any acidic solution such as lemon juice, dilute HCl, etc., it turns deep red or magenta, showing one color, and when it is placed in any basic solution like soap solution or dilute NaOH, etc., it turns green, showing a different color, and makes it easy for us to find out which solution is acidic and which one basic. In a similar fashion, the color of many hydrangea flowers act as a natural indicator for the soil in which the plant grows. So flowers like hydrangea can determine the acidity or basicity of the soil. These flowers become purple if the soil is neutral. It becomes blue if the soil is acidic, and pink if the soil is basic. Thus the intensity of the color depends on the amount of acid or base present in the soil. The soil which is highly acidic bears deep blue flowers, whereas the soil which is highly basic yields deep pink flowers. The hydrangea is unique among plants in this ability to indicate soil acidity. Because of this trait, gardeners can chemically manipulate hydrangea bloom colors using soil additives. It also has distinguishing colors being the reverse of those for litmus paper. So by this we finished discussion on natural indicators, and now we'll see for artificial ones. The first one being the very famous phenolphthalein solution. So phenolphthalein solution is colorless when it is neutral and has a similar colorless solution when it is acidic. It acquires a pink color when it is placed in basic solution, giving distinguishing colors and proving to be one of the indicators. In a similar note, we have another artificial indicator which is methyl orange. Let's have a look at that. So methyl orange, as its name suggests, has an orange color in neutral solution and gives red color when it is placed in some acidic solution. It also gives yellow color when it is placed in basic solution. So this is all about some indicators which gives us distinguishing colors in different mediums. But there is another type of indicator known as olfactory indicators, which says that the indicators which give one type of odor in acidic medium and different odor in basic medium are called olfactory indicators. Let's have a look at some of the olfactory indicators. So onion is one of them. So if we can take some paste or juice of onion, it loses its smell when added in any basic solution and does not change its smell when some acidic solution is placed in its juice or paste. Another one is vanilla essence, whose smell gets vanished when few drops of vanilla essence is added to any base and it retains its smell in the acidic medium. Clove oil is also one of the olfactory indicators which has its own odor in acidic medium, that is, it retains its smell but its characteristic smell cannot be detected in base. So guys, this is all about some asset-based indicators. Hope you understood well. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked today's video lesson. If you find it useful, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to press bell icon to get timely notifications. So do like it, share it with your friends, and last but not the least, stay positive because we have got Gamaholic.